Okay, here's the vision, guys. I just checked the weather and it's supposed to be chilly today. It's been hot. We're not here for that. I look really crusty. Please forgive me, I'm about to get ready. It's really been 90 degrees for the past 2 weeks. It's really been killing the vibe. I've been trying to do some fall bucket list stuff. I even took a warm hot bath and it's just like not the same when you know it's hot outside. It's just not giving. So today we're just gonna do some fall stuff. Period. Slaying. Together. This is my first vlog in a really long time. I promise you I'm actually gonna get back on track. I promise. Because I have a moving vlog coming, a half marathon training vlog coming, fall videos like galore, are you joking? Of course. YouTube is coming back into my life. And I also just found my fall clips that I have not been able to wear yet for obvious reasons. And I'm like, wait, should I wear them today? So yeah, we moved to a different house. I'm so excited because yay, there's way more space here. We're getting our couch, a bed frame, water softener tomorrow. Yeah, currently we don't have a living room, but that's okay. Also, our bed is on the floor, but that is okay. We're figuring it out. And it's all gonna be on the vlog coming next, so stay tuned. Anyways, this is Rosie. Obsessed with her. I'm literally obsessed with her. I'm like, wait. I can't even with you. Did my hair and makeup. This is what we're working with today. We're gonna do all the fall things, so let's go. I just got my check from work. It was employee appreciation. Where did this come from? I don't know. This adorable bright orange fanny pack, which I love for the fall because, are you kidding me? Shirts that we get every year. A DSP is a direct support professional for people with disabilities. So I do in-home care, which is really fun. And then tell me why I won this gigantic 90s speaker. Where am I gonna put this? I don't know, but actually this is cool. Today my producer is mixing my songs and I'm so excited. If you don't know, I am starting my dreams of becoming a worship artist. I have one song out right now. It's called Take His Hand. It's by Juliana Watkins on any platform. You can go look that up and I'll link it below as well. New songs are coming and I'm super excited. This guy is really good at what he does. And I'm excited to see how he does because the last song I did was by a different guy, so I'm anxious to see how the mixing is different with this person. I'm gonna go to the thrift store. Hey guys, so I came after that extravaganza. This vase because I feel like it's pretty fall and I can put like a flower in there. Stocking cap because fall vibes. Got this basket. I can remove these. This is kind of a mess. And put something else in there. And we do have an arrangement of leaves, if need be. We love their plant pot. I got this book, Catch a Falling Star, and it says, come worship him. How cute. Green with a jacket. Turtleneck, blue turtleneck. Halloween socks because you got to, you have to. Autumn Harvest 3-wick candle and it has cute little leaves on it. I put the rocks in some bags and I got it how I wanted. I'm gonna try to hang this outside on the porch. Got this one. Try to put it on the porch as well. This other flower in. Look, a little tacky, a little cute, little like, girl, what is that? Welcome to the porch. The goal is to make this chair corner super cute. I made this over here look autumny, yay. I actually hung the flowers over here, a little cute little accent. Put that plant right there. I'm so sorry that those are fake flowers. I actually feel so bad. And I am going to start trying to crochet my sweater. Here's what I'm working with so far. Almost. This is the speaker from my job! How did I win this for my job? I'm waiting for it to say shake that. Good morning, today's the next day. I'm bringing my book and me and my husband are going to the farmer's market. And I wasn't able to make the apple crisp yesterday, so I'll make the apple crisp today. And I'll also show you my progress on the crocheting. I'm gonna try the banana, blueberry. I'm gonna try this pickle pizza. That's really good. I've been craving pickles, so. The blueberry one's good. This one just, I get a glob of sugar. It's not like mixed dog treats. They're poops. Look how adorable our pumpkins are. We're watching the second Happy Gilmore. Our beautiful, unhealthy Subway. This looks like a wrinkly old grandpa. But my sandwich looks pristine. I had to put a napkin right here because you already know kids really like to pray. We're watching football while I crochet. Are you getting your own face or something? I think you are.
Nope, something better.
What, my nostril hairs? What, Rosie?
No.
Okay, I'm curious.
Just you.
Making apple crisp while watching the Chiefs game. Okay, let's see how this ends up turning out after 35 to 45 minutes in the oven. Okay, the apple crisp is done now, so we're gonna try a bite. Tastes pretty good. Wow, so pretty. 2 miles, I'm feeling tired. Ready for the second one. 4 to try it. Disgusting. Aww, that's so sweet of you. What if he just turns around and comes back? It's 11 o'clock at night now, and I just have an itch to just put up some fall decorations. Just clean this entire table, and then I put this beautiful fall leaf right there.
Those are good. It's really good. I would definitely sleep in that.
All stuff in here too. Pumpkin, and then that. What do you think?
Looks good.
Guess what time it is? Time to paint the pumpkins. They're so cute. You guys got any ideas? Okay, here's the vision, guys. 2 ghosts trick-or-treating, holding hands. What colors? White. Obvi for the ghosts. Like, this is such a small pumpkin. I probably need to use the paint markers for the detail. But painting with brushes is so much more of a vibe. What you gonna do? Let's see here, guys. Okay, you're the taller ghost. You're welcome.
Thanks.
So I'm done with the first side. It is 2 ghosts trick-or-treating. There's 2 lampposts and houses all around. It's cute.